welcome to part one of, I don't know, my series of videos for a Dana 44 axle swap into my Chevy Colorado, not pictured. It's around the corner parked. Got about $2,000 or less into this whole build, so just want to show the guys on 355 Nation and elsewhere that it is quite possible to do this swap for cheap. A bunch of new shiny parts and really dirty axle or two. So welcome, stay tuned.